Hello, welcome, and thank you for joining me today. It's another exciting time in Bloom's Kitchen. We are going to be doing a very simple, quick, easy recipe. I'm going to show you how to make a Kale-Swiss Chard pepper soup. Pepper soup is a light soup that you can have by itself alone, or you can pair with any swallow of your choice. It also goes well with rice. Today we are having this with semi-ripe plantains. Sit back, relax. Don't forget to share this video with your friends, like and subscribe. I'll be right back and we'll go through the ingredients together. Thank you. Today I'm going to be using goat meat for my pepper soup. You can use any meat of your choice: chicken, turkey, lamb, beef, fish. But if you're using meat, I would advise you to use meat that has the bone in. That way it gives you a whole lot of flavor. And I'm going to be blending kale. I have this beautiful kale leaves from my garden. I have about 5 leaves here, and also this gorgeous Swiss chard also from my garden, and I have about 4 leaves of Swiss chard here. And I have about 8 medium-sized tomatoes. Yes, I add tomatoes to my pepper soup. For those of you who do not like to add tomatoes, feel free to omit it. But like I will always say, give it a try first and see what you think about it. If you think the taste of the tomatoes will be too overpowering for you, you can steam your tomatoes a little bit. So I do not use fresh onions. If you are using fresh onions, steam your onions and your tomatoes a little bit before you blend them. That way it tones down the flavor. But for me, I'm okay with using fresh tomatoes. And here I have 4 tablespoons of crayfish, blended crayfish. Crayfish is a must in your pepper soup. And here I have 1 tablespoon of chicken stock powder. Over here I have 1 teaspoon each of garlic powder, onion powder, and ginger powder. Like I told you, I will not be using fresh onions in this pepper soup today. And over here, I have half a tablespoon of salt, or we can say salt to taste, half a tablespoon of cayenne pepper, and then half a teaspoon of nutmeg, and 1 tablespoon of pepper soup spice. So this is already blended together. If you have the raw spice or the whole ones, you can blend it by yourself. And today I'm going to be serving this pepper soup with plantain. So I have 2 semi-ripe plantains here. So we are going to start off by cooking the meat. have it. Our Kale-Swiss Chard goat meat pepper soup is ready with semi-ripe plantains, and it tastes amazing. I'm going to be enjoying mine today with a glass of ginger ale and some lemons. Pepper soup is really good when you have a cold. This is a treatment for cold. It opens up your sinuses and instantly makes you feel better. Also, for those who just had a baby, pepper soup is excellent for your stomach. It helps you to move your bowels properly, and it can be enjoyed by anyone. It can be enjoyed in a party, and like I said, you can enjoy it by itself or with any other combination of rice or any swallow of your choice. Thank you very much for joining me on my Blooming TV today. Thank you so much for your support. Please do not forget to share, like, and subscribe. Until next time, have a blessed and wonderful day.